Hi, I'm Jason Barnard, the Brand SERP guy from Kalicube. Today I'm looking at the Brand SERP for Tiffany Company. I know this company because of the song Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, where it is mentioned. I love it, but I actually thought it was a cafe, but it's not. It's a place that sells diamonds, which is logical when you think about it from the song title. Great Brand SERP. They've got a knowledge panel over here on the right hand side. They've got lots of information in there. They're associated with all these artworks. Obviously a company with great history that Google truly understands. On the left hand side, for the modern day diamond purchaser, you have the map pack, which is brilliant. We have questions, we have Twitter feed. They have enough to say about diamonds and artworks that they sell that people follow and interact with their Twitter feed, which is stunningly interesting. But the important thing, the really interesting thing that I want to look at today is this. It's an incredibly standardized brand image from a color perspective, and that's incredibly difficult to do. And if we look further, we can see that it goes right through everything they have been doing over the last years. That's very difficult to do. Hats off to Tiffany's. Thank you very much.